Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the letterhead logo in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document and take a letterhead page with logo. Now we want to change the logo to this letterhead page. Go to the Insert menu. Then select the header option to edit the letterhead. Now we can see here two pictures. Then we select a picture and go to the picture format menu and select the change picture. Then click change picture. Now we want to change the picture or this logo. Go to our file and select another logo. Now I select this and click insert. Now we can see we change the letterhead logo very easily. Then delete this logo and copy this logo. Click right button on our mouse and copy, then paste inside. Then delete the first logo and set this logo in another side. Then click close master page. Now we can see we changed the letterhead logo very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.